So once again, let's take some time to relax and calm down our central nervous system, relax our mind and our muscles and our body. Remember that any sounds that you may hear, sounds of life, cars or animals or people, just notice them and let them pass. Don't let them distract you. Or if you do get distracted and you notice it, bring your attention gently back to the relaxation, to the meditation. Try to stay relaxed. Try to stay focused. If your thoughts start to distract you, which they will, again, just gently bring your attention back without judgment. That's all part of the process. And sometimes a thought may arise solving a problem with a solution to something that you've been working on. And that's okay. Sometimes that's what meditation is for. It calms and quiets the minds and allows these inner knowings, this intuition to come to arise so that you can solve some problems. And in that case, if you need to, if you think you might forget, it's okay to gradually come out of the meditation and write down the solution. Sometimes that's what it's all about. But for right now, let's just close our eyes. Feel comfortable in your position, whether you're lying down or in a recliner chair or sitting with a cushion behind you. Make sure you're sitting comfortably and feel supported. With your eyes closed, allow yourself to start to relax. Again, we'll do 3 deep inhales, inhaling 4 and exhaling 4. Then we'll do 3 where we exhale 6. And with that slightly longer exhale, we'll exhale through pursed lips, blowing out gently as if trying to make a candle flame just barely flicker. So again, feel comfortable, feel settled, feel supported. Exhale completely, and I'll count the inhale. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Now inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now allow yourself to imagine that you're sitting outside in the sun and you feel the warmth of the sunshine on the top of your head. Imagine the feel of that warmth on the top of your head. It feels so warm, so comforting, so relaxing. Now imagine that warmth starts to spread. It's like a liquid, like a slow-moving warm liquid coming down from the top of your head to your forehead and the sides of your head and the back of your head. Warming your forehead, relaxing all the muscles there. That warm, slow, liquid relaxation moves down into your eyes, your eyebrows relaxing, your eyebrows and your eyelids, relaxing your eyes. Imagine that warm, liquid relaxation moving down more through the back of your head, down through your cheeks, relaxing the muscles in your cheeks, warming them, relaxing them. Feel that warm liquid relaxation moving down, further down your head, down through your ears, down through your jaw. Even your teeth feel relaxed as they separate a little bit. Down through your neck, your throat. Your whole neck feels relaxed with that warm liquid relaxation coming down. As if coming down from the sun. Warming you, relaxing you, warming your shoulders. Relaxing your shoulders and your upper arms. Your forearms and your wrists. Relaxing the palms of your hands and the backs of your hands. Relaxing your fingers. Your shoulders and your arms just feel so relaxed. Feel that warm liquid relaxation flowing all the way down your back. Warming and releasing any tension in your back. All the way down your spine. All the way down through the muscles on both sides of your spine. Feel that warm liquid relaxation moving down the front of the chest. Allowing you to breathe more deeply and more freely as it relaxes the chest muscles and even the lungs. Allow that warm liquid relaxation to flow into your belly, the upper belly, below the ribs, and then the lower belly. Feel that warm liquid relaxation in the hips, the front of the hips and the backs, all the way back through the glutes. Feel the muscles relaxing. Feel the upper legs relax, front and back. Feel your kneecaps relax, your lower legs, your ankles, tops of the feet, that warm liquid relaxation flowing in and relaxing the tops of your feet, the soles of your feet, all the way down to the tips of the toes. Allow your body to relax. Want your body to relax. It feels so good to relax and release and let go. And let's have our mind take a walk through a forest, walking along a forest path. It's winding around among the trees. It starts out pretty open and clear, this forest. Then the path starts to narrow. Trees get closer together. There's more underbrush. It feels like the trees and the brush are almost blocking your path. But you manage to squeeze through, following the path. You know the sun is shining overhead, but you cannot feel its warmth through the trees. You hear the sounds of the birds, but you cannot see their flight. It's very quiet and shadowy, but you feel safe. You feel secure. It's comforting. It's an adventure winding around between the trees, around the brush, as you follow this path. And soon you enter a wide clearing. In the middle of the forest, it seems, the wide, cleared space with a big house sitting in the middle of the clearing. You have a feeling this is a very special house. You walk up to this house curious. You go up the steps to the porch and you see there's a large key on the welcome mat. use the key and you turn the lock in the door. Click, click. You turn the knob and you open the door. And a rush of cool, refreshing air hits you. You step inside. There's a long hallway. There's many long hallways leading off this entrance. And you notice there's doors on either side of the hallways. You decide to explore. You go from one room to the other. You stay. You open a door and you may find a beach. You decide to walk along the beach. You open another door and you may find a garden, a beautiful garden that you want to walk through. Another door may have a woodworking shop. You open another door, it may be somebody creating blown glass, beautiful creations. Another door may lead to a carnival or to a wedding that you feel like dancing at, or a deserted island, even a baseball game. Let your mind roam freely from room to room, enjoying all of the wonderful things that you find there. Stepping back out of whatever room you're in, you know there's one big special door. And you open that door, and you see that it leads back outside. And you step through and you close the door behind you. And you notice you're in the clearing again. And you know it's time to walk back. And you walk over to where you see the path, and this time the path is wide and easy to follow, clear, no underbrush, the trees are far apart. You walk back. It's easy and peaceful and uninterrupted. And as you walk, you think of the rooms that you visited, and you realize the limitless potential of your mind. Whatever you can imagine can happen. Now you're all the way back in the room, sitting or reclining. And you take a deep breath, and you exhale it slowly out. You start to move your fingers and your toes. Circle your hands and your wrists and your feet on your ankles. With a slow, deep inhale, you raise your arms overhead As you exhale, your arms slowly back to your sides. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. And if you want, you can take some time and write down some of the rooms you visited and the places you saw. I will see you next time. Satnam and Namaste.